All right, so Euro USD, my arch nemesis. I've had a hard time figuring this one out, to be honest. Huge move up. Check this MACD out. Kind of telegraphed the whole situation. This is why I love MACD. Once I actually figured out how to use it, it's worked wonders. But we saw all the way back here that things weren't going to sustain in that direction, right? And this is the ultimate breakthrough in my opinion. If I go to 4 hour, I'll probably be able to see it even better. So what I mean in the intraday breakthrough, the 50 EMA being pierced and then price action staying on the right, the opposite side of it, which just happened 4 hours ago. This 4 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, we look back 4 hours, more than that actually. So anyways, oh, we're coming up on the end of the second 4 hour because it's almost noon. So yeah, that's why there's so many bars. So this is the 8th one. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm missing something. I fucked something up right there. Anyways, there's a breakthrough here, and we noticed it, right? So we've been above it for 2. Maybe it broke it this one. Anyways, I'm gonna rack my brain trying to figure that out. It broke it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 hours ago. 4 times 4, so 4 bars ago. This one's about to close. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Maybe I'm missing something. I'm not understanding exactly how to look at that. Anyways, yeah, Euro USD, no trade here. Probably could have gotten into this. This would have been risky because it's not like a real legit pullback yet. But this is the breakthrough. I'm gonna look for a pullback, play it up. Probably, let me see here if I can. Probably I'll pull back around this area. This is where the pivot will probably be, and then we'll want to take it higher from there up to here, key level. Okay, so we're gonna look for pull back to here, and bounce up to here. That's what I'm looking for. Bing bing. Anyways, yeah, Euro JPY barely got stopped out on this one. I don't even know. That's questionable. I might not have gotten stopped out here. But I'm going to pretend like I did, because I'd rather be conservative with this stuff, man. It's not all about, hey, I'm perfect or whatever. I caught that L. I'll take that. Euro GBP probably could have made money off of this play right here. I don't know. This might be a little too wide. I don't know if that's inherently better than 1-to-1. I'll look at it real quick. And yeah, so it might barely be inherently better than 1-to-1, because that's going to look like that, and then our stop loss is obviously going to be a little bit further below that level, so something like this maybe. So we're better than 1-to-1, but barely. Probably not something I would have said is worth taking. And this is a recent high, so I'm already kind of limited there. MACD's pointing in the right direction. Let me see if there's anything else that shows that we're going to go higher. Recent price action doesn't really show that we're going to explode or anything. And we're coming up against a 50 EMA. So yeah, there's limited room here. This would be the play if you took it. So if you want to take 1-to-1 trades, cool. I don't really want to, just because I want to focus on, doubles and triples and home runs occasionally. Euro CHF, this one's crazy how I missed this, but this is a similar situation to Euro JPY where I barely missed it. I barely missed this one. I got out yesterday for a -10 loss. Let me go ahead and turn this red. And you miss sometimes. You don't get them all. So that's what this was. I think we were right in here somewhere, and I decided to close this out. Playing a little bit too much defense, maybe. MACD does not look like it was conducive to a big jump up like that. So, yep, I got out early, and I missed out on 2.5 probably at this point. A little bit better than that. Something like this. 269. That sucks, but you know, part of the game. Euro CAD trending upward for sure. MACD doesn't look like it's going to support like that for long. We're coming up against a 50 MA on this one, limited space again. So that's fine. Can't win all of these, and this is also showing signs of the beginning of a trend, but it's the weakest out of all of the other ones. And what I mean by weakest is look at this area. Look how short that is compared to this one being longer. This one being longer. You see what I'm saying? Longer here. This one longer. Just looking at the trend line even. You can just see it. This is actually pretty short, similar to AUD. Yeah. I think this one's actually longer. No, they're about, yeah, AUD is longer than the Euro. Because AUD starts right here, just so y'all can see it, and then I'll leave you alone. Starts like that, yeah. And then the Euro USD, this one's just now beginning. I can't even draw a trend line here, to be real. So what that looks like, man. I'll catch you guys on the next video. We'll do CHF and CAD pairs. All right, peace.